शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं
I have a health issues with my legs. How can I request the divine blessing of Batuka Bhairava and Matangi Ma during the sadhana to heal the health problem? One of the best ways after meditation, make an intention, Lord Bhairava and Divine Mother Matangi, heal my leg pain. And keep on chanting the Moola mantra of Batuka Bhairava, Uchishta Chandali mantra, and Matangi mantra minimum 9 times. And if it is a more intense pain of your leg, minimum 1 japamala of each mantra, do it. And when you do this Moola mantra, have a 1 glass of water next to you. After doing this mantra japa with the intention to heal, you drink that water. So that what happens, this water become a healing water. It will, goes to your entire body, and the healing can be more faster. Okay.
शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्